Hello guys, today we will review a new product from Apexel. It is Apexel Gimbal. It is a single axis gimbal for phone and it works in 3-in-1 ways. One is for selfie, one is for tripod and another one is for gimbal. So in this product what you get inside the box is one 3-in-1 tripod gimbal and selfie stick setup, micro USB cable type A to micro USB, and something inside this, I don't know what is the use, so I am not telling about this, and a user manual that we will never read. Okay, so in this box we will be having one 3-in-1 tripod cum selfie stick cum your gimbal. So as you can see here, this part is movable and there is a motor inside this. Built-in motor is there. Whenever you will power it on, it will stabilize your phone. Okay, but if you want to use this as a normal selfie stick, then you have to just rotate the back side part and now it will not move, so it will be fixed like a selfie stick. And also you can use it as a tripod by opening these 3 legs, and also you can extend this like this and you can use it as a tripod. To turn on this motor, there is a button on this side. Okay, let me turn it on. Press for 3 seconds. Okay, so now some green light is coming, and as you can see, it is self-stabilized now. Let me put one mobile phone and let's see how this will work. So I am putting my OnePlus 8T, and as you can see, it is holding it properly. So now if you move your hand in any direction, it is fixed in this side, in this orientation, it will never change. Okay, so now if you want to put it in portrait mode, then you just have to tap this button once and it will change its direction as a anti-clockwise direction. If you double tap this button, it will move clockwise direction. If you single tap, then it will move anti-clockwise direction. So if I will talk about the specification, it is mentioned in this box. It is a 1-axis gimbal. That means what? It will only stabilize in this direction. The battery life, it works for 2 hours. I have not tested for 2 hours, but if you want, I will test it. Let me know in the comments. The Bluetooth shutter can use for 50 times. That means for one charge it will, I think this Bluetooth shutter also needs charging. So inside the Bluetooth shutter there is a micro USB port is there, so it is a rechargeable Bluetooth shutter, as well as this motor is also rechargeable. That means this gimbal is also rechargeable. There is a micro USB port here, so both Bluetooth shutter and the gimbal is rechargeable, so there is no problem. If you want to capture something remotely from this mobile, then you can able to pair this Bluetooth shutter to this Bluetooth of this device, this mobile phone, and you can, after pairing, you can capture any number of photos or videos. It will just act as a remote shutter. You just have to charge it. How much time it will take, I have to test it. So if you want, let me know in the comments below. I will post by comments how much time it has taken to charge. Payload is 0.4 kg. That means what? You can put around 400 grams of phone inside this holder. So I have already tested with my iPhone with case that is very heavy. So this is also working fine with that. And we will test the iPhone footage with this gimbal, and I will show you the output, how stabilized it is. Let's go out and check how this gimbal works and how it will stabilize our footage. As you can see from the output, the full frame is mostly stabilized. There is no jitter or imbalanced output. As you have seen, this device works very nicely and it stabilizes your footage, and this is a very nice thing to have, and the price is also not that much. It is around 4,000 rupees. So that's how this gimbal works, and let me know in the comments if you like the product and what are your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.